those cloud leaves? Zahara's lamb!
Aren't they kind of big?
They're way big, which is why no one ever surfs them.
If you want to make some of your own foodie magic, check out the website at the top of your screen.